Matagal nang kilala ng marami sa inyo na kalsadang ito. Hindi ito madaling daanan noon. May mga panahon na ang layo ay nagiging hadlang at ang paglalakbay ay puno ng pag-aalinlangan. Kaya nga, mahalaga ang araw na ito sa atin.
We gather this morning for the groundbreaking ceremony of the rehabilitation of the 5-kilometer provincial road connecting Barangay Langkong, Matanog to Barangay Tugaig, Barira. A project that goes beyond infrastructure. This road carries stories, memories, pain, and hope. It holds deep historical and emotional significance for our people.
I am deeply honored to join all of you today as we break ground for the Matanog to Barira Provincial Road Rehabilitation Project and other high-impact infrastructure projects that we shall be construct this coming year. The rehabilitation of the Matanog-Barira Provincial Road and the construction of water systems, agricultural support facilities, and the community infrastructure in the areas are tangible dividends of the Bangsamoro peace process. Alam niyo, hindi po ito galing sa pamana. Ito po ay galing sa inyo. Pinapalik lang po namin sa inyo.
For many years, this path was associated with fear, displacement, and conflict. It witnessed the harsh realities of war that left lasting scars on our land and in the hearts of our people. But today, we rise together to transform those scars into symbols of strength with the peace agreement between the MILF and the government of the Philippines, now a living reality. It is to bombard our community, not with the cannons and bullets, but with opportunities, investment, and development.
Bilang pamahalaan na isinilang mula sa kasunduang pangkapayapaan, tungkulin namin tiyakin na ang mga dating lugar na sigalot ay nagiging daan ng kaunlaran. We work closely with OPAPRO, with local governments, with our partners in the security sectors. Ang paniniwala namin, kapag magkasama-sama tayo, mas mabilis nating maabot ang komunidad na matagal nang naghihintay ng development. Sa mga taga-Matanog, ang proyekto nito ay para sa inyo. Ingatan ninyo ito, gamitin ninyo ito para sa maayos na tinabukasan ng inyong mga anak. We thank Brother Secretary Garbes for standing with us in this particular endeavor to develop Matanog and entire Bangsamoro. Nandito siya ngayon.
The national government is very committed to fully implement the peace process. So lahat dito po ako ngayon dahil may pangako po ang ating mahal na presidente. Ang pangako po ng ating mahal na presidente, number one, kailangan ang human rights ng ating Bangsamoro, ang human rights ng lahat ng Pilipino ay dapat natin respeto. Pangalawa, kailangan magbago ang buhay ng bawat isa. So sa lahat po ng taga-Matanog at lahat po ng mga ating kababayan sa farm, rest assured that the commitment of the national government to the leadership of the President will always be there. At ano po natin, ang mahal na Presidente ay talagang mahal na mahal po yung Bangsamoro.